Hi my friends, today we model this part which has some tricky features. You see here all dimensions are a few. We start by creating this upper part of this object, and we add this cylinder just like being right here. You see what are the dimensions: 32.5, 20, radius 5, radius 17, and again 32.5. Diameter is 50 for both parts. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, this plane, and we draw a circle with a radius. You see radius, yes, not diameter, of 17. Then we place it on the same vertical with the center point. We move it somewhere here. Then we draw a vertical line starting from here to here, right, up, left. Keep pressed the left button and create, keep press the left button and create an arc. This arc is tangent to the circle. The circle must be cutted, and also here. Then we make this center line. We apply a radius 5, then distance of 20, diameter of 50, then 3.32.5 is the upper, and also three 32.5 is the other bottom part. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, good. Then we create a plane, a sloped plane, by using this upper line, not the other one. This, which contains this point at 32.5. The angle is 35. Plane, we select this plane and also Z-axis. Now we have to place the angle. You see, if I move this, we have that angle. This means that we can apply 90 plus 90 minus 35. Okay, now we want to create this closed contour. What is this contour? This is an ellipse, Professor. Yes? Oh, yes, you're right. To do this, we select 3D sketch and we select this tool, intersection curve. We select one face, we select another face or entity. Okay, now you see in yellow color that close contour. Now we close the 3D sketch and we select this plane for a new sketch, 2D sketch. We project this line and we draw a circle with a radius 6. Okay, F7 to see inside. You see what is here. Then finish this sketch and use sweep. Sweep, one profile is selected, this one, and Inventor waits us because it has this blue line for the trajectory, and we decide to be a cut volume. Okay, very nice. Now you understand that we have this volume upper here, and we also have this volume, not this connection between them. And we have to create this distance of 10. To do this, we create a new sketch. A new sketch in the same plane XY. F7 and we draw a line starting from here. We hover this line, but we don't project it. We project firstly this line and we draw a perpendicular by hovering on this. Now we have a perpendicular. What is the distance? 10. This is not all. We draw also this line and this line. Now we place two dimensions, this one, which is a driven dimension. We accept this, and we also select this for a new dimension and accept this. Okay, finish sketch. We go to manage and parameters, and now we know that this is vertical and this is horizontal. We place here the two dimensions. This is vert with the major letters 8192. You know that this is with a lot of decimals here. We work very precise. And the other is horiz. Okay, vertical horizontal. Done. You remember that we have two solids. This is one, this is the other. Okay. To obtain what we want to get, we use from this tab, modify, the tool move bodies. Inventor waits for us to select the moving body. This is the moving body, but not to the right. I present it so. Not to the right, but with minus, and not 10. This is X, yes, X. We write here Orice. You see now red, yes, E, also red, and Z, now it is not red. This is the movement to the left, horizontal. Here is the other dimension, which is vert, and you see it goes up. No, we want to go down. We apply minus here. Yes, it is not complicated. Okay, now we have two volumes which are placed at a distance of 10 along this line. Now we combine the two volumes. This is one, this is the other. Okay, they are only one solid, even if you see an empty space here. No problem. We apply now sketch here, project geometry, this geometry, finish sketch, and we apply extrude of this face to the other. Okay, all we have to do now is to hide this sketch. Let's see what is the volume, because this is all. I like to find here only the main features names. Properties, physical, update, and we select this value, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is not exactly with the other one, but the difference is very small, and we select our solution. Okay, then material is brass soft yellow without edges, shaded, not shaded with edges, and not default IVL but default lights. Now we have the result, and we don't see any difference between the two. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.